Hi guys! So today's video is about everything NYX. NYX recently launched in India on an online website, kind of relaunched since they were already available at certain places earlier, but they kind of relaunched themselves on this website called Nykaa.com, and all hell broke loose. Everybody wanted to get their hands on all sort of NYX goodies, including myself. This video is basically about two of their very popular lip products. First one is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and the second one is one of their very popular lines, the Soft Matte Lip Cream. Now the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams were actually available for a long time ago on Nykaa, but they sold out, and I don't know why websites do that, when something is so good and it sells out, I get really pissed off. And I had also picked up one of their shades, this is called Amsterdam, and I had reviewed it on my blog long time ago. So this time when they launched the Liquid Suede lip creams, I was wondering why they had launched another line of liquid lipsticks which are sort of soft matte. So I decided to get one of them just to sort of compare them. I know the two shades that I have are quite dissimilar to each other. So I'm going to compare these two step by step just so that you can get an idea of the general formula and the quality and the pigmentation and all those things. Okay, let's start with the packaging first. The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream comes in this plastic cylindrical tubing which is color coded. This is not transparent. What you are seeing is not the actual product but a representation of the shade which is inside it. The cap is a black rubbery matte finish so as to distinguish it from the lip glosses, the butter glosses that are of the same packaging. Now the NYX Liquid Suede also comes in a plastic packaging, plastic color coded tubing, cylindrical tubing. It has a lot of product information on it as you can see, but the cap of this is a plastic black shiny cap. And they've made a nice gemstone kind of design on the top. That looks pretty good. What you see is not the product but a shade of the product which is inside. This shade is called Amethyst. If you look at them side by side, the Liquid Suede Cream looks much bigger, chunkier, more chubby. But don't be fooled by the packaging, because it says right here on the tube that this product actually contains 4 ml. And this one, which is the tinier looking one, actually has 8 ml of product. The Liquid Suede looks much bigger, but it actually just has about half the product that this one has. Now if you compare the wands of these two, the Soft Matte Lip Cream comes with a typical doe foot applicator. That means it has a sponge tip which has a slant to it so that the product can be applied. Liquid Suede Cream also has a sponge tip applicator, but this one is a paddle shape. That means it's flattened out from both sides so that the product can actually be applied onto the lips from both sides. As far as fragrance is concerned, everybody knows that this one smells heavenly. It smells of baked cakes and cookies, and this one doesn't really contain any fragrance. I have never used a lip product that smells as good as this. So consistency wise, the Soft Matte Lip Cream actually moves or a gel-like consistency, and it spreads and glides very easily on the lips. Suede also has very good consistency and spreads just like butter. Soft Matte Lip Cream is just tiny bit more smooth and buttery than the Liquid Suede. The presentation of the Soft Matte Lip Creams has always been good. One swipe is all you need to get a good color. Of the Liquid Suede is amazing. It totally blew me away how pigmented these are just on one swipe. This soft matte one, you can still see a little bit of my skin underneath the swatch, but when I put this one on, just one swipe is all you need to get a lot of color and pigmentation, guys. What you see on the swatch is what you get on the lips. It's equally crazily pigmented on the lips as well. Longevity wise also, the Liquid Suede completely beats the Soft Matte Lip Creams hands down. Soft Matte Lip Creams last on my lips for about maybe 3-4 hours with light snacking, but this one lasts easily about 6 to 7 hours with light snacking. It's waterproof and smudge resistant. Soft matte are not water resistant, however they are smudge resistant. But if you snack a bit or eat something oily, then this will be gone from your lips and you will have to do a touch up. Maybe just layer it on again. However, this one will last you through one meal quite easily. As far as the finish is concerned, both of them are quite comfortable on the lips and settle down into a matte finish. However, the liquid sweat is slightly more matte than the soft matte. Both of them are actually quite comfortable on the lips. They don't feel dry at all, but this one is more moisturizing than this one. The soft matte lip creams come off easily with any makeup remover. But to remove the liquid sweat lip creams, you would need an oil-based makeup remover. Overall, I would say both of these are excellent products and they come in varied shades. You'll be able to find one which you like. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video and I hope I've been able to help you all in deciding which one of these to get. I just want to thank you all for your constant love and support. I'm not photogenic, I'm not a beauty queen, I'm not a beauty expert. Still I get so much love and support and care from you guys. I cannot be thankful enough for it. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.